Hello, my precious gorgeous people. Today I have a try-on clothing haul for summer. Thank you to Ledin, which is one of my favorite brands ever, for sponsoring me so that I could do this. Ledin is an incredibly popular and leading brand featuring soft and dreamy styles in Asia with over 800 offline stores. I have a huge summer haul with them and I'm going to style some of their pieces today for different occasions, but I'm going to give like my own spin on it and teach you guys how to dress like a princess every single day, because we all deserve to feel like a princess no matter what the occasion. First, I'm going to start out with my favorite piece from this clothing haul, which is this adorable floral dress. So this is a strapless floral dress and I really like it because it has this like flowy shape so that it's super comfortable even though it's like a dressier piece. So I really like it because I love feeling comfortable but looking nice at the same time. So I really love looking for silhouettes that honestly I could wear this to a dinner and eat a lot and I don't have to worry about like my waist expanding and having to like unbuckle my jeans when no one's looking. And I love the fabrics of a lot of their pieces. They have a lot of like really delicate detailing and embroidery, and I love just all of the little details on this dress. Even though their pieces are really affordable, honestly, they have a lot of detail that go into making each piece just like very special. And my favorite thing about this is that actually this giant bow, detachable. This is what I would wear for a picnic look. So I have this really cute sun hat. I really like the ruffles on here. I'm actually going to affix this bow onto this hat so that I can wear this on the back of my head. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. I've been looking for my favorite sun hat for this summer and I haven't been able to find one, but I think that I just created one. Oh my gosh. Eee! And also, by the way, if you guys are interested in the hairstyle that I'm wearing today, which is this like double braided bun updo that's really good for like hats, you guys can check out that tutorial here because I've already done that and this is my favorite summer hairstyle to wear. And of course, no picnic is complete without a basket, and this is my perfect picnic day outfit. So I have this adorable blazer from them. At nighttime in LA, even though it's summer, it still does get really cold on some days. I like to just throw on a jacket on top, and this is actually my favorite jacket that I currently own because it has this really amazing back window with this matching bow, but it has this chiffon so that it's sheer but not too showy. And this is my nighttime version of this outfit. Next, I have this super adorable dress, which is so perfect for summer. Honestly, I love the fabric, but I especially love the silhouette. I love this double layered ruffle, and it's just so nicely fitting, but also really comfortable. I think that's what I just love about Ledin's clothes, is that although they're very flattering, nothing is overly tight and suffocating, which is really important to me when I get dressed for the summer because I wish to be super sweaty. So to dress up this outfit so that we feel like a princess, I'm going to change my pretty understated everyday necklace. I actually got this as a gift when I was a baby, so this is very vintage. I get a lot of questions about it all the time. I'm switching out to a chunkier pearl necklace so that it looks kind of more over the top and more regal. So we're going for a Bridgerton moment here, and I love to pair my sundresses with a corset, and this just sort of helps to like cinch in the waist and give it a nice lacy design on top. No princess themed outfit is complete without a pair of Ruffly Gloves. I got these on Etsy. I do believe that these are vintage. I think the only thing about shopping vintage gloves is that unfortunately, you know, I have like really tiny child size hands. I don't know if you can see this, it's quite disturbing. I really love these gloves because they're sheer, and I mean, look at these like little frillies on the wrist. I just think that they're super charming. Ta-da! And of course, finally, I have to follow my own advice. No outfit is ever complete without hair accessories. We're going all out here at this point. So I have this adorable little bow headband with these pearls dangling down the front. Okay, this is the basic for my next outfit. Are we not absolutely obsessed with this silhouette? Look at how adorable this is. I love it. I paired off this blouse with this skirt from Ledin. So adorable. I love the multi-layered chiffon with the silk at the bottom, which makes it extra flouncy. Because I am a very petite person, I definitely struggle finding bottoms that fit my waist size. So I discovered this thing recently, which I'm really obsessed with. I discovered these super cool clothespins. So when you like cinch your waist with a safety pin, it actually looks like it's part of the outfit because it's like a really cool looking, nice and dressy safety pin. So I like to do sort of like a gathered design so that it looks like it's sort of on purpose, that it's like ruffled on the side. To style this outfit, I have this super cool knit crop top. I've been really obsessed with baby blue recently. It's a new color that I just recently added to my wardrobe, but I really like how it looks on me, and I love pastel colors in general, and look at how adorable this is. Because there's a lot going on the bottom, I'm going for a more understated look with my hair accessories, but I will still never forget the hair accessories. Next, I have this super adorable piece. Oh my gosh, I love this piece because again, it's very flowy with the open shape and the free size waist. For the summertime in LA, because the sun is so strong, I do like to wear sleeves, but I like to wear things that are airy and breathable and lightweight so that I'm not suffocating underneath my clothes, but I still do have some sort of like protection on my skin because I do get sunburned really easily. When I get dressed in the morning, I kind of think, what character am I playing today? Because that's what fashion means to me. It helps me transform who I want to be for the day. So I really like to play into certain like feelings or inspiration, and today, because I feel like this outfit and the silhouette is very doll-like and this oversized collar feels very like vintage, I'm pairing this outfit off with a vintage chiffon headscarf, and that is the look. So this is another adorable piece from Ledin. Oh my gosh, honestly, I'm so obsessed. This is kind of like a closet makeover for me at this point because I have so many new pieces to wear. Is my zipper open? Oh my god, it is. Ignore that. So this is another super flowy, comfortable piece. I've been dying for a really classic silhouette like this for so long. This feels very classic 1950s to me. I really love the dolly details on this dress. I love the thick cuffs and the ribbons. And again, it has this pearl crystal detailing that goes all around the collar, which is one of my favorite things that I've honestly never had in other clothing items before. One of my favorite things about Ledin is that they always choose the cutest, most adorable buttons. I mean, look at these tiny little floral pearls. It's honestly just so adorable. So I'm keeping this outfit pretty simple because I do want it to be kind of a more like comfortable version of like an everyday princessy look. I'm really only wearing like 3 things, which is a dress, a ribbon, and also a ribbon on my head. Okay, this is my last piece from Ledin today. I love this dress. This is a knee-length dress, so again, don't have to worry about, you know, sitting pretty. I can really man spread at the restaurant if I really wanted to. I know, I have very important concerns. Again, we love a good oversized collar. I know that I talked about the little crystal embroidery designs on their previous pieces, but look, this one is blue and it's in the shape of flowers. Oh my god, it's so cute. You know how in the first outfit I was like, hey, this oversized bow that came with that dress, you could wear it as an oversized hair bow because I'm all about ridiculous accessories. Well, it's time. Oh my gosh, I love it. I haven't been able to find such a giant hair bow. I've been on the market looking for one and I finally found one. It's giving like Kiki from Kiki's delivery service. So that's it for this video. Honestly, this is the most exciting clothing haul that I've ever done, and I'm not even exaggerating. I loved making this video and I loved every single thing that I got to wear and style and share with you guys. So thank you so much to Ledin for sponsoring this video. This was the best clothing haul in my entire life. A lot of you guys tell me about how you struggle with finding your identity in your clothing and how you want to feel more comfortable in wearing the things that really make you feel like you. And honestly speaking, as someone who's struggled with this a lot in my adolescent life, you know, just really wear what makes you feel happy, because ultimately fashion is just an extension of ourselves and it's one of the purest forms of expression, and you're really not hurting anybody by dressing the way you want to look. If it makes you happy, go out, wear a fancy dress, go have a picnic, go have a tea party, put it together with your friends, and honestly, live your best life this summer. I hope you guys have a really good day and I will see you guys again next week.